Wow, it feels good to be a gangster. Daily construction, how can I help you? Oh, yeah, we don't do small jobs. We only do the best. Project complete. You know, this one wasn't easy. I mean, we ran into glitches and obstacles just like any other project, really just like anything in life. I mean, this takes hunger and passion and dedication to get through these projects. I bought this house for $272,000. I think they're asking like $300 or something like that. But, you know, use my negotiation skills. We put about $130,000 into this house, which was way more than I originally wanted to spend. But I like to get these projects done as if I was going to live here myself. So we finally listed this house. It's open house day. We've listed it for $498,900.
What's really exciting about this house is that it's on hole 1 of the golf course.
Deerwood Country Club.
We could flip a house that's in a subpar neighborhood and make it really beautiful, and we'll never be successful. So it's really nice that we have such a gorgeous place for such a gorgeous house.
We'll be much more successful buying in the country club.
Yes.
Next clip. So we listed this house on Zillow like a day or two ago. We've received so much interest. There's not much available in Deerwood Country Club for much less than $1 million. It's 2 bedrooms.
2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. I think we're gonna go for highest and best by Monday. Yeah. Hopefully we get an offer well above asking price.
That would be good because we put so much extra into this house that we originally wanted to, because we really wanted to get it done right, like I said.
Right.
And we hope that that return on investment is there. You know what I'm saying? Great job. Erin designed these, which is really cool, like a little marketing pamphlet. And let's walk through some of the finishes. So Erin did a poll on her Instagram. She asked her followers which color should we paint the fireplace. Of course, we wanted to do black.
Yeah.
And one person said, nah, don't do black. But everyone else said.
Yep. So that one person, you know who you are. You lost.
You lost. It's a beautiful fireplace. Look at this thing. So we wanted something really extra unique for this house, and I went with Nichiha. We're like, what do we do? Do we do stone, stack stone, leave it like T111, which is this stuff? Like, no, let's do Nichiha. We picked the color, we spent the extra thousands of dollars, and I think it really brought this thing to the next level. Erin found these amazing ceiling fans. Tell them about the ceiling fans, babe.
$109.
$109.
So this is the tile that we always use in our bathrooms. It's beautiful. It works in any location, and it always sells.
This is our matte black shower trim package. It's Delta. It works all the time, and it's like super cheap. And like, don't do chrome if you can do black. I mean, it's just a little bit more expensive, and it's still a great value.
Right.
And the white and the black is kind of like our thing. You know, we've kind of like narrowed in our thing. Like these Halifax door handles, matte black, goes really great with the white. Of course, obviously here too, like the cabinet pulls are matte black with our white shaker, with our white quartz, with our white sinks, with our black push button shower drains, not shower drains, sink drains and faucets and the black mirrors. And then these are so cool. I think you got this from Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon, you can pick the length that you want, and it's just like this uber modern. Our thing is uber modern, and we're just like really, we've refined our style. So you can download our flipping template, which has links to all of these items, exactly what we do, even this black hexagon floor down to
One of the first ladies that came in this morning, she knew the original owner, and so she was walking around going, oh my gosh, you know, and he was like 97 years old when he moved out, and she's like, I hope he's still alive, but I don't really know where he is.
Shannon's doing our open house, by the way. She's a friend and also a realtor. So thank you for coming in. It's kind of like a way for you to network as well.
Yes, yeah, I love it. I can connect with people and meet potential buyers. So yeah, it's neat to hear the stories. So she was just saying how the house had changed drastically from when said 97-year-old man lived here, and so she couldn't believe the transformation that had taken place. But yeah, she just loved being able to see that.
Yeah, $550 and it's yours.
That's right.
So like from the minute that I walked up to this place, when Tyler, our realtor who sends us deals, sent us this one, he's like, hey, like there's this house, they want, I think they wanted like 300 or something like that, 200. We got it for 272. I've always felt so much peace here for some reason. I'm just like walking up, it's like this golf course, it's just like all this natural lighting, and it's just so beautiful, and I still feel that peace, especially like after I didn't feel the peace getting through the renovation.
Yeah.
But we're here now, and I'm like so excited to see whoever buys this place. It's just cool to be able to rehabilitate these old properties, like Shannon just said about the old guy that lived here. Then we're able to come in and make this an uber modern and really nice place
Yeah.
to live in. We're just gonna keep busting it out, you know? So if you wanna start flipping houses, just know it's not gonna be a walk in the park, but you can do it. You know, we've gotten through these glitches, and it's always, always worth it in the end.
Yep. If you want to start flipping houses yourself, check out our downloadable template where we post all of our finishes, like the ones we used in this house,
And it
like and
sells.
subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.
See you next time.